Hi guys, I am hunting for asparagus right now. Here it is, one jackpot asparagus, and then right here, if you remove the grass, to see what I see, big, big. I can see a can of tuna with this. Oh my God, jackpot man! Yeah. Huh? Oh my God, eh. Ay. Daghan pagyapon siya motubo ay for next week. Okay na pa mga baby. Kanang kan ba motubo ay pa siya sa next week. Laoy ka jackpot aning space tambok kay sila kasi gi mag-ulan. See that? They're so chubby-doo. Chubby-doo. See? I need this in my life. Jackpot man. Laka oy, nagtapok ba? Diyan nakita under sa mga manguha ay. Ako lang nag-isa. Ako lang nag-iisa. Okay. See? Ito ang buhay ng Aywa. Maraming pagkain sa daan. Kain lang ng kain sa pagkain sa daan. Kiyawan, no? You just know how to flex your muscle. You will not starve. Ah man. Let's open this grass. Maybe there's some here. This one, oh, there's little right here. Can't wait to dig him up now, because I might not be able to get here again. So guys, that's my one stop, one spot. Wow. And then I see another one over there. I see it. I can see it. See that? That's a jackpot. Ooh. Jackpot kayo tisid. Man.
Nagtanong sa kuan kana nalong pero hindi ko anak ko kanang naon sa nako ang kuan sa group page so kuno sa man paguro mata pala ko ano man to
Ang mga dagko kay ba kay gulang na gid sila, pero I will still get them. Makain pa man to. Makain pa man sila. No? Look, they are grown. They're grown up. I got, but hello, I'm excited. Maybe over there. Gonna go back, put them in the bag, and move on to another ditch. There's my other pile. Healthy, good looking one. Thank you.